Let's check out the biggest tech news of the week with me. As always, I'm Shantanu Udasi and you are watching AIM's Weekly News Roundup. Facebook has started restricting the sharing of news stories on its platform in Australia. This is in defiance of a controversial law that will require tech companies to pay the publishers when their news articles are being shared by users. The ban constitutes the strongest action yet in response to the proposed legislation, which would force Facebook and Alphabet's Google to pay publishers for the value their articles generate on their digital platforms. On Wednesday, Facebook tried to draw contrast with Google, arguing that publishers don't voluntarily provide articles that appear in Google search results, while they willingly post news on Facebook, which helps them reach a larger audience. Facebook said that it will rely on machine learning software to determine what links are considered news. The software looks for news-specific signals like timeliness, presence of bylines, and attributed sources in an effort to predict whether something should be classified as news, but this algorithm needs to be refined, as users also reported a number of non-news websites, including government platforms for coronavirus information and weather warnings, appeared to be inaccessible on Tuesday. Facebook said in a statement that its action shouldn't have affected those sites, but that it would restore pages that may have been inadvertently impacted. Bitcoin on Tuesday surpassed $50,000 as businesses and institutional investors fuel this historic rally that has lifted Bitcoin over 70% this year. The largest cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin peaked at $50,584.85 before pulling back. That's more than double its price from the trading frenzy in late 2017 when Bitcoin burst onto the broader public scene and seized widespread attention. The cryptocurrency's record climb comes as many large asset management companies have begun recommending the asset, pulling Bitcoin further into the financial mainstream. Its total market value exceeds $906 billion. Experts are citing Tesla's decision to accept transactions in Bitcoin to be a major contributing factor in the sharp increase. Other big names that accept the cryptocurrency worldwide include Microsoft, Wikipedia, and PayPal. Databricks' unified data platform will be available on Google Cloud Platform beginning in this April. This will complete their trifecta of Databricks as it already runs on Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure cloud platforms. Databricks' software also will be integrated with the Google BigQuery business analytics system and leverage the Google Kubernetes engine, enabling businesses and organizations to deploy Databricks in a containerized cloud environment for the first time. With Databricks available on Google Cloud, customers can create data lakehouses, a combination of data lake and data warehouse systems that Databricks has been promoting for a range of business analytics, data engineering, data science, and machine learning tasks. The Databricks Unified Data Platform on Google Cloud is currently in beta testing and is expected to be generally available in April. It will be available through the Google Cloud Marketplace for simpler procurement, user provisioning, sign-on, and unified billing. The advanced security and data protection controls provided by the Google Cloud Platform will make this combination especially attractive for use within highly regulated industries. Ford has joined the long list of car manufacturers that have announced that they will go all-electric in Europe within the next 10 years. The list also includes Jaguar and Bentley. This comes as a response to European regulators clamping down on emissions by implying hefty fines on car makers if they fail to meet emission standards, with countries including UK planning to ban the sale of new petrol and diesel motors by 2030 and France is targeting the same by 2040. Ford is the largest car maker to make such an announcement in Europe, holding a 15% share of the regional market. Jaguar Land Rover said its cars would be all electric by 2030, with its Jaguar brand electrified by 2025. General Motors and Volvo Cars have also set similarly ambitious targets. So those were all the biggest tech news from this week. We do appreciate you liking, commenting on and sharing our videos. Please click on that subscribe button so you never miss any other update from Analytics India magazine.